Trying to sell a home with a bad roof, an outdated HVAC system, or other bigger problems, buyers will notice, and it could cost you. So, should you fix it, lower the price, or sell as is? Let's break it down, the pros and cons of each. Hit that like button, subscribe for more real estate tips, and let's dive in. Option 1, fix the issues before selling. The pros to this is increase your home's value. You attract more buyers, easier to get financing approved buyers. The cons: it's a costly upfront investment. It delays listing your home. If your home has serious issues, fixing them could help you sell faster and for a higher price. But if you don't have the time or the money to invest, this may not be the best route. Option 2 is to discount the price. The pros to this is it attracts buyers for a deal. You won't have to spend money on repairs, and it keeps your home competitive in the market. The cons: buyers might still negotiate repairs, and you also could have appraisal issues if it's priced too low. Discounting the price can help you get the home sold, but some buyers might still ask for more concessions. You still need the right pricing strategy. Option 3, sell as is. The pros to this: quickest way to sell, no repair costs, and it attracts cash buyers and investors. This can happen quick, be ready. The cons: you have lower offers, fewer financing approved buyers, and investors might try to lowball you. Selling as is great if you need to move fast, but expect lower offers. If you're okay with that trade-off, this could be your best option. What's the best choice for you? If you have the time and budget, fixing major issues can help you get top dollar. If you just want a hassle-free sell, selling as is or discounting the price might be the way to go for you. Thinking about selling? Reach out. Let's talk about the best strategy for your home to help you get the top dollar. If you have any questions about selling your home, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more real estate tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.